Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you whether you can add friends on your account within Gamerant. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in gamerant.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Gamerant website. Now from the homepage, if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the account icon at the top right corner and you will be taken into the login portal. You can then just use your email address and your password or your social accounts to log in. After logging in, you will be taken into the homepage from which you will be able to look at the various different game news. Now, if you hover over to your profile icon at the top right corner, you will see the following section. If you click on this will show you all of the games that you have followed. And if you click on menu at the top left, you will see various different options, including my profile, but there is no specific option to add any person as your friend. In order to follow any game, you can simply click on the game that you are interested in or search for it from the menu box. After you click on this game, you will see the follow button. Click on the follow button and now there will be an option to just follow the game or follow it with notifications. Click on your desired option and now you will follow this game right away. This will now be shown within your following section. And there you have it. That is all there is to know about adding someone on your Gamerant account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.